We are making bouillabaisse, a delicious soup from the south of France. It tastes of Marseille. Fishermen who could not sell their fish to the restaurants put their fish into a pot to make bouillabaisse. This is monkfish, or you could use any kind of fish. Now these are cut into bite-sized pieces. In the bouillabaisse, we have of course the mirepoix, 1 carrot, 2 onions, and 1 celery. The taste of the south of France, fennel and leek. I'm going to cook the mirepoix in some oil and some butter. Then I'm going to add the fennel and leek, and when that has sweated down and caramelized, I will add the tomato and garlic. Okay, the mirepoix smells delicious. The langoustines are turning pink. So, un verre d'eau, a glass of water, and to deglaze the lovely residue on the bottom of the pan, a splash of sherry. Bon, okay, now, this is the strange part of the recipe. We are going to blend this to make the soup. I'm now going to strain the brie. The lemon peel adds a useful touch of acidity. A little white wine. I'm adding the fish that takes the longest to cook first, so the langoustine, and then the moule, the mussels, and then the monkfish and the prawns. When the moule open their mouths, they are ready to eat. Bon appétit!